Hello friends, myself Rohit. Here I tell about how to queue function will be executed. So first I start about with this header file IOStream. Then I straightly start with the int main function. Here I take this front as a -1. Then rear as a from rear also I take it as a -1. Here n will be the switch case variable that will start with the 1, and then the s will be the maximum size of the queue. Here I take this array as a 90 size. Then I ask the user that please enter the size of the queue. So it will be stored into this S. That is the size of that is size of the array. So here I use this loop function, while loop function. The syntax for this while loop function will be the while, then in between this bracket, the condition will be there, and this and this in this curly braces the call operation will be done. So here this cout statement, I ask the user that please put this choice. First one is a insert, second one is a delete, third one is a display, and fourth one will be the exit. It will be stored into the n. Then I use this switch function. For the switch function, the syntax will be like this. For switch function, the variable I took as a n. Then for the first case, that is insert, first we have to check this queue is whether the queue is full or not. So for checking this queue as a full or not, I use this condition as a rear is if rear is equal to the maximum size of the queue -1, the queue will be the full. Else we can able to insert any element into the array. So for this, this enter this. I ask this user to enter the element that will for and then user will be able to insert any element, and the rear cells for that the rear cells will be increased, and that will be stored in this array a rear. And then the first case will be executed. For the second case, that is deleted. So for this delete any element from the queue, we have to check this whether the queue is empty or not. For this checking this queue is empty or not, I use this condition that front is double equal to the front is equal to rear or not. If this is equal to this rear, so queue is empty. Else we can able to delete any element from the queue. And for the deleting any element, the first element, if we delete, then the front will be increased, and then it will show the deleting element by this statement. Then the case 2 will be executed. The case 3, that will be the display any element from this queue. For displaying any element, I use this for loop, and then that will be here by this cout statement I can able to display the element. And by default, if my choice is 4, that is for the exiting for this group, from this group, so I use this statement, and directly I can break this switch case, and I will execute from my loop. So here the return statement will be there. So let's check how it will work. So first it will ask this they enter the size of the queue. If I put the size as a 7, then I want to insert any element in the queue. Then the element will 4. Then again it will ask the enter my choice. I want to insert my again any element, then 7. And, now I want to delete any element from my queue. So my choice will be 2. Then let's see, it will tell that the deleted element from the queue is 4, and I want to exit from the queue. So I can press this 4, and I can execute this queue function. So this is my program. Thank you. you for watching.